My name is Vijay Kumar. I graduated from Army Institute of Technology, Pune, in the year of 2023 in the stream of information technology. Basically, I joined JSpiders in December 2023. I started with learning on in SQL, and later in mid-January I started learning Java under Vivek sir, and later on it was taken by Kaushik sir and Pawan sir for the collection work, and which it helped me to know the basic concepts of Java, and what are the go-to for the collection frameworks in the Java, and why collection are important for us, and it helped me to develop the basic understanding how I can use Java in the field of web technology in the advanced Java, which was taken by Ravi sir. Thank you.